I'm Matt, and I'm in a crawl space. And this crawl space has been encapsulated by one of those big companies that advertises on TV. And they installed a sump pump, and then the sump pump failed. So what happens is when the sump pump fails, the water comes in here. You can see along the perimeter here on the wall. So that's see that water line? There was like 8 inches of water over here, which is higher than over there. So there's probably like a foot of water over there standing because the sump pump went out. So when you put one of these liners in these crawl spaces and then water gets on top of it, it becomes like a swimming pool liner. Instead of keeping the moisture out, it holds the moisture in. So I'm not saying the encapsulation company is responsible for this. This was probably going on before they came along, but this made it worse. This made it worse for sure, because now they have bug damage in here. So that is insect damage. I don't know what it is, powder post beetles, termites, whatever it is. It's eating the wood in here because it's nice and wet and it's damp, and they like it that way. So there's several floor joists in here like this. You know, I really can't count them, but you see these holes. Every joist I look at has these holes. See those little holes? Those are from insects. So every joist I look at in here has that, and there's like some mold growing on here. See that? That's all fungus. We always say possible mold until we test it, but you know, that's some type of fungal growth, and that's eating the wood as well. So that's what happens. The water gets on top of this nice liner they put in here, and this is not the first time I've seen this. It's like getting in on a water bed. There's water under it and water on top of it. And in the places where there's water just under it, where it's dry enough for me to get on top of it, it's just like a water bed. And they blocked off all the vents. There's foundation vents in the perimeter, and they blocked them all off so it can't breathe. And there's no forced air furnace in this building. So I believe that the Michigan Building Code says that you are not supposed to encapsulate a crawl space unless it's a conditioned space, so you're pumping air into it. So I know they're not doing that in this building because they have electric baseboard heat. So that's it. That's what happens.